Hello guys! For today's video, we are going to make homemade French onion dip for our chips. Here's the ingredients that we need. 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup onion, pinch of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic and ground pepper powder, and 2 tablespoons of butter or oil. Put the oil or melt the butter in a pan. Add the onions and salt. Cook for 5 minutes. Then, reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So, the onions should be sweet and golden like this. In a container, place the mayonnaise, add the sour cream, add the caramelized onions, mix until just combine. Add the garlic powder and pepper. Mix it well and refrigerate at least 2 hours to allow flavors to develop. Overnight is better.